During Ramadan time, there are certain rituals. You have to go to the Charminar area and do some shopping. Halim, you got to eat. Gurda for breakfast. Bheja, of course, this has got nothing to do with Ramadan, but at least during the month of April and May, if I don't eat one Bheja, that is one brain, my brain doesn't function properly. So, here is brain. In the boiling water, add little turmeric and drop in these brains. There is a kind of thin covering, you got to remove that, then drop the brains into the boiling water. So, look at this, awesome brain in boiling water. This reminds me of my Queen Victoria, and I'm sure many men relate with this. Every day morning I get a little bit happy, but she converts into brain pakao for me. She boils my brain, literally this is how I feel. But when this is done, the entire day I am sane too. So you got to boil this like 5 minutes, then we're going to keep it aside and do this simple pyaz masala, the onion masala, Bheja Fry. And it's a ritual, you got to eat it once in a while. And also, this little boiling removes that off flavor from these offals. Wow, how it rhymes beautifully. Now, get them out. Now, let's enjoy the process. Little bit extra oil is a must. Some cumin seeds, curry leaves, onions, some salt. The most important part is you got to brown the onions. At least half of the onion should look a little bit brown. In this turmeric, green chilli and ginger garlic paste. Add chili powder, a little bit of garam masala, a little bit of coriander powder, just very little water, not too much, and immediately drop in the bhejas. And I love to kind of scramble it and spread the masala on top of these bhejas. Reduce the flame, and if needed, you can on the outskirts, on the outside, add a little bit water, not too much. While this is sizzling, drop in pepper and go ding chick, ding chick, ding chick, ding chick. Drop the pepper. Look at this bheja. I love to break it a little bit, not too much. I wanted to make this too much masaladar because you will be like, what? Yes, I want to eat this with sambar rice. It's yummalicious. And of course with roti, rumali roti, chapathi also, this will be good. Every day I want to go like this, but my wife does this bheja fry with my brains. Okay, this is done. Excellent. Slow heat. Put the lid on. Let some of the oil come in. That oil, the masala, this will be nice and juicy. The brown onion with a little bit of extra salt, they suck it in and all these juices, oh my god, this is like absolutely boomba boomba. Today, the sambar is also very special. It is drumstick and green mango sambar. I'm telling you, this is the king of all the combinations of sambars you have ever eaten. You have to try this. Now, Bheja Fry, a little bit here, a little bit here, and I'm telling you, the Bheja Fry is best eaten with roti, with rumali roti and all that. And during the festive time, you got to try this Bheja. Wow. With the onions sweetened by browning and full of masala. The Bheja along with this sambar. Lick your finger and a piece of Bheja. The Bheja, the brain is so good, so yummy. No wonder my wife enjoys my Bheja every morning. Guys, eat best food, enjoy life.